Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Wolverhampton Wanderers away shirt, and this is for the 24-25 season. And this shirt was purchased from www.jersey.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. We'll also leave a DHgate link from our usual seller so you can take a look at their items. Now this looks like it's going to be a fan version because the badge has been embroidered on. If you do enjoy the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery timescales, you're looking at that sweet spot between 10 to 15 days for the item to arrive. The shirt comes in a standard plastic bag, and on the flip side there are the usual health warnings. As I say, the seller is www.jersey.com, all the information in the description of the video. But let's get this bag open and take a look at the Wolverhampton Wanderers away shirt for the 24-25 season. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt, and it's got like the sort of standard ring neck. I do like the orange band that sits around there. We have kit manufacturer on this sleeve, pseudo, and we've got that here, and it is like a rubberized vinyl. Likewise on this side as well. But over here you do have the JD Sports logo, and again that's actually rubberized vinyl there. The Wolverhampton Wanderers badge has been embroidered in, and that looks absolutely fine. And then there's like a little mark there. And the sponsor is that DBet. Again, once again, rubberized vinyl on all of that. And what I do really like about this one is actually this pattern. So you've got the black, but this orange that just goes all the way through the shirt, I think looks really, really smart. And at the bottom here, we've got some little accents, which again are the same orange colour. Obviously orange being the Wolves' traditional colours. So there's the front of the shirt as we zoom out. Let's take a look at the reverse side now as well. Okay, we're onto the reverse, and we've got like this, like a triangle or triangular sort of pattern that sits through the back. Obviously no name and number on there, but yeah, you've got this pattern there. Collar line at the back, fine. You've got the neck support just there and the slight join there. And we do have a one pack on the back, and that is the same rubberized vinyl that we've had all the way around the shirt. And like I said, there's no name and number on the back of this one. It's for a friend of mine, so I've left it plain. My hand under it, got the light shining on it, and you can see my hand quite well. So the material is relatively lightweight. Stitching doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that looks okay. I think it might be slightly higher as we move to that side, but no one's going to really worry about that once it's on. So there's the full look at the back. Let's take a look at the inside now as well. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt, and collar line stitching all looks good. We have a pseudo Wolves tag. Pseudo's embossed on actually. It is a size medium. This is for a friend of mine, as I said, or someone I work with, a friend, all the same thing. Stitching all looks good around there. One thing I do wonder is that Wolves badge slightly off centre. Looks like it's a bit further to the left as you come down where the collar line should be, but the stitching on it, that joint's okay. We've got the sponsor just here, which is absolutely super smooth. Sponsor and the JD over here, just a crease from the bag, nothing else to worry about. We have the pseudo 100% polyester made in Thailand tag, and the washing instructions on this side. Recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. But there's the first part of the inside of the shirt completed. Let's take a look at the final part now. Okay, we've got the final part now, and you've got the one pack that continues around on the collar line, and the pseudo size M with the wall crest, and that is the rubberized vinyl. Again, pushing in, you cannot see through it, although we said earlier that the material is quite lightweight. if you push in, you cannot see the crest, which is always good. So a fair few creases from the bag, but nothing to really worry about there. Again, if I put my hand here, look, that's what I mean where I said you can see my hand through, but that's absolutely fine. No name and number to show you on this one or anything, because I do leave these blank when they're for friends, although sometimes I do request them with a name set and then we'll get it. But yeah, as this is for a friend, we have kept it blank. But there's the final part of the inside of the shirt. Let me know what you think in the comments. And there we have it, our Wolverhampton Wanderers away shirt for the 24-25 season from www.jersey.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of the video. As I said throughout the video, this is for a friend of mine. I've done a fair few Wolves shirts because they support Wolves, so it's always nice to be able to give them a shirt every now and then. And this is probably one of my favourites actually. I really like the colour. Like I said, the black and the orange I think looks absolutely fantastic. I will leave a DHgate link as well for me, your seller, in the description of this video, so then you've got the choice whether you want to go to somebody like WW Jersey or if you want to buy from DHgate. Delivery timescales, you're looking about 10 to 15 days from WW Jersey, so yeah, all in all I think that's really quite acceptable. If you've got any comments, by all means leave them below. Any requests of shirts you'd like me to look at in the future, do let me know as well, and I'll try my best to get hold of them. There are a few new England ones that are coming out, which I've already done the leaked home one. I think I've got another England one that's on its way. So yeah, once that's out, we'll get that up, and that's obviously in preparation for the World Cup. But there we have it, the Wolverhampton Wanderers away shirt for the 24-25 season from www.jersey.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.